Welcome back to Auto Luxury 295, your destination for fascinating cars, legendary classics, iconic vans, and the latest automotive stories from around the world. If you love discovering unique vehicles and exploring the history, design, and character behind them, you are in the right place. Today, we are taking a special look at the 1952 Bedford CA van, a classic British commercial vehicle that holds a memorable place in automotive history. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Auto Luxury 295 and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. The 1952 Bedford CA van represents an important period in the development of British transport. Introduced during the early 1950s, the Bedford CA was designed to serve businesses, tradespeople, delivery companies, and families who needed a practical vehicle capable of carrying people and goods. At a time when roads were becoming increasingly important to post-war economic growth, vehicles like the Bedford CA helped keep businesses moving and communities connected. One of the most appealing aspects of the Bedford CA is its distinctive appearance. Unlike modern vans that often look similar to one another, the CA has a personality that immediately reflects its era. Its rounded bodywork, upright proportions, simple grille, and classic details create a charming appearance that captures the spirit of 1950s Britain. The design was not created simply for style. It was shaped around practicality, allowing the vehicle to provide useful interior space while remaining relatively compact for its time. The Bedford CA was built with versatility in mind, and this was one of the major reasons for its popularity. Different versions could be used for a wide range of purposes, from commercial deliveries to specialized business applications. For small businesses, the van could become an essential part of daily operations. Whether transporting tools, supplies, food, or other goods, the CA offered a dependable way to get the job done. Interior. Inside, the Bedford CA was understandably simple compared with today's luxury vehicles, but that simplicity is part of its charm. The cabin focused on functionality, with straightforward controls and a practical dashboard designed to give the driver the information needed without unnecessary complexity. The driving environment reflected a time when vehicles were mechanical, direct, and relatively easy to understand. Behind the wheel, the experience of driving a classic Bedford CA would be very different from operating a modern van. The steering, braking, suspension, and engine response all belong to another generation of automotive engineering. There are no modern touchscreen displays, advanced driver assistance systems, or sophisticated electronic features. Instead, the driver becomes more connected to the mechanical character of the vehicle. Every sound and movement tells a story, making the experience especially interesting for classic vehicle enthusiasts. The engineering philosophy of the Bedford CA was focused on durability and practical transportation. Its mechanical layout was designed to provide useful performance for commercial work while keeping the vehicle manageable for everyday operation. For businesses in the 1950s, reliability was incredibly important. A van was not simply transportation, it was a working tool that could directly affect a company's ability to serve customers. Another fascinating element of the Bedford CA is its cultural significance. Classic commercial vehicles often become symbols of their time, and the CA is a wonderful example. During the post-war years, Britain was rebuilding and modernizing, and transportation played a major role in that transformation. Vans like the Bedford CA could be seen on city streets, rural roads, and business routes, becoming a familiar part of everyday life. Today, the 1952 Bedford CA van has a special appeal among classic vehicle collectors and enthusiasts. Its value is not only connected to its rarity or mechanical design but also to the memories and history associated with it. A carefully restored CA can attract attention at classic car shows, heritage events, and vintage vehicle gatherings. Its unmistakable shape often brings people closer, especially those who remember seeing similar vans during their childhood or earlier years. Restoring a vehicle like the Bedford CA can also be a rewarding experience. Every surviving example represents a small piece of automotive history. Restorers often work carefully to preserve original details while improving reliability and safety where appropriate. The result can be a vehicle that maintains its historic character while becoming more enjoyable to operate and display. What makes the 1952 Bedford CA van truly special is the combination of practicality, simplicity, and character. It may not have the speed or technology of a modern vehicle, but it offers something that many contemporary vans cannot easily recreate: a strong